Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. Yes, the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's still Monday, August the 1st, 2022. I've already solved 4 puzzles, the Sudoku with 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic, aka Cyber block. Yes, in Dutch they call it Cyber block. With 4 stars, and this will be number 4946. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. Should be an easy one. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here 1 single box. Single box, always a 1. Can we see here the dual boxes? Let me scan. No dual boxes, triple boxes then. Triple box. Where are you? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Quadra box, more quadra boxes. Here also a quadra box. So these 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. Quadra box. Here another quadra box. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Upside down, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, in this case, it's a 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 there, so it can be a 3 and more. This box should be a 4. And it's connected with that box. Should be also a 4. So 1 box left in this quadrant box for number 3. Okay. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? No. Only 1. Here, the following shape, the L shape, upside down, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Oh, I've already filled this in already with the 4. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 L shape. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have here 4. Maximum are 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a sorry, these 3 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, it's not helping me, These 3 boxes surround a 1, can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3, can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3, 3, okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2. Well, this box can be 1, can be 4, but also it can be a 3. We have a 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot. We already have a 3 here, so it cannot be a 3. So it can be 3, can be 1, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 5. Here, this box can be 1, can be 4, can be 3, so also 2 and the 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and the 5. Okay. So 2 and a 5. 3. Let me see. 4. I'm thinking. 3. Not easy. There's the opening. 2, 1, 3. No. Ay. 4. 2 and a 3. 3. I'm thinking. 3. 2, 3, 1. And the 5 is also missing. Thinking these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. That means we have a double 3 there. I cannot place the 3 here. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. That box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for number 4. 3, 4, okay. Well, this box can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. But we already have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 4 there. The 4 is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I've marked this box with 2 or a 5. Well, we already have a 2 in the same area. So this box should be a 5. And it's connected with that box should be also a 5. I've marked those two boxes with a 2 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5. Okay. Alright. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, I think this box should be a 2 then. Because it can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Let me think. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This can be a 2, okay. Let me think. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 1. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so the 1 and the 4 goes together as a pair, 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. We have a pair, 1 and a 4, the other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 5. Those two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. I've marked those two boxes with a 3 and a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Let me see. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. A 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. I think. No, don't think too much. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 it goes there. Finishing 16 minutes. Well, it's not definitely a 4 stars, not a 3 stars. Let me give this a 2 stars, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube. Hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlist for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.